This morning's broadcast brings to Reveille Hour listeners the Tuesday Breakfast Brigade concert of the great chorus choir of the Chicago Gospel Tabernacle. Paul Rader will be at the microphone again to greet breakfast brigaders. Here's the rallying call to this feast of good things to accompany your morning meal.
Rader always put on a good show because his idea was that you got to get the people's attention. If you're going to share Christ with them, if you're going to preach Christ with them, you got to have their attention. And he had the ability of getting people's attention. Everything Rader did was in some way related to evangelism.
Whatever you do, let's do it for God today. Let's make it in the service of the King.
What Rader seemed to bring to the table for radio was that he had the gift to be able to speak conversationally and in an intimate fashion to folks that really made him seem like a friend.
Now, while we sing this number, you see if you can't get a hold of the chorus of it as well.
I am happy in the service of the King.
And Paul Rader, of course, was listened to all over the country. Anybody who could get to the radio would like to listen to Paul Rader.
I have peace and joy and blessing in the